At Bozeman Health, our mission is to provide the best possible care, world-class care. And Bozeman is where we're located. It's the fastest growing city in America. Our patient base is increasing, but our patient base is diversifying. So to be able to provide certain services to this community that's growing every day, we have to be able to expand, and we have to be able to open our minds to different types of ways that we can provide the best care possible.
Everyone's being asked to do more with fewer people. And so anytime you can automate that or use machine learning to not make the decisions, but confirm your decision-making, I think is important.
What Infor Solutions do is takes manual work and automates it. The biggest benefit is not only time saved, but it's also money saved. That money that you're saving can then be turned around to expand the scope or the scale of your patient care.
And with Coleman and Infor, vendor performance gives us the opportunity that as we increase service lines and diversify our service lines to work with vendors that we currently haven't worked with in the past, it gives us the comfort level to know that this vendor is a high-performing vendor. They're providing us with the best quality products.
Coleman machine learning vendor performance is really graded on 3 areas: how prompt they are they delivering the quantity that we wanted, how good is that quantity, if there's any returns or wrong items, and if vendors are not performing. Vendor performance also could help with negotiating contracts and pricing. You can use that to either get concessions out of them, better pricing, or really just to say, hey, we're leaving you because you're just not performing to our high level.
Coleman Digital Assistant helps alleviate the need for all users who need to find some piece of information. You ask it a question, it gives you a result. You don't have to have every single member of the organization exceptionally well trained in the system. You can have more casual users who might need a result out of the system be able to achieve it very rapidly and very easily.
It takes the middleman out of the process. So prior to Coleman DA, the question would have to be posed to myself or an inventory agent or one of our supply clerks about PO checks, PO statuses, invoice questions, stock questions. Having Infor, Coleman DA, and those types of resources at our fingertips allows us to operate on the same level as some of those big organizations would operate on.
We're looking forward to, as our operating room is moving at supply room here in the next 6 months or so, is the Coleman machine learning and using the smart picking so that item A that's always picked with item B is together in our new supply room. We pick them together instead of being across the room. You're saving time, which allows you to do other things. The patient probably never knows it, but in the background, if everything is running properly, their bill's less because our expenses are down. As we move forward in our journey with Infor, I'm excited about the platform technology and the RPA, the new things that they're exploring for us.